Intel's a piece of shit. News at 11. Literally blue screen, dude. Yeah, literally blue screen because of Intel. This chip shit is awful, dude. Like, this shit is awful. I am so sick of Intel. I will never use another one of their chips again. They could eat my entire ass.
Let's plug it in. It's going to say, hey, I see you plugged in a new device. And it's going to load in the appropriate drivers. You'll notice that this scanner build... Whoa.
God damn it. Oh, it's 100% AMD. It arrives on the 27th. Well, at least it ships on the 27th. It arrives on the 29th. I'm so sick of this shit, dude. It's literally all Intel's fault. And they're not offering any type of, like, recompensation for anybody that's been affected by this. It's insane. Completely insane. Oh yeah, it's already switched off of Top Shot. That's the first thing I did. What's up? I just got back from a blue screen of death because of freaking Intel. It crashed my game, and then when I restarted the game, it blue screened. It's great. I'm literally never using Intel again. Like, we've been talking to hardware sponsors for a while, and I was talking to the company that we go through, SideQuest, and I was like, I'm not having a machine with Intel. I'm not working with anyone with Intel. I'm not working with Intel. I don't want to deal with Intel. Like, this shit is awful, dude. It has caused more stress for me than anything else. I've had 5 blue screens in the last week. And one of them now is mid-broadcast. Like, Intel is a waste of sand, dude. Insane shit to watch. It's completely getting worse. It's getting worse every day, and I have 6 more days now that I have to deal with this shit. And I know every single day it's just gonna get worse.
I mean, I'm calling it 7 because I assume it'll arrive during the stream on the 29th, and therefore...
I will end the stream and build the new machine. I won't deal with this shit 1 extra second that I need to. Don't even care. The level of mad that I am right now is immense. PC died, the goddamn chip blue screen Windows, dude. Awful as shit. Build it on stream? No, then I'd have to be streaming from an Intel for 1 second longer than I need to. So mad, dude. This is the reason that I haven't been playing Hardcore Classic. Like, I could be doing Hardcore Classic, but my machine is unstable and we're having power outages. It's a great combination.
When you just suddenly stopped talking, I was like, it's a coin flip between the power going out and the thing blue screening.
Exactly.
Just ridiculous.
Slowly dying, Kronos. This is it. Did the crash kill the TTSQ? Yeah, I fully blue screened. Everything is dead. It's all dead. Everything is gone. I'm gonna add another $100 to the debt. That's what we did last time. There, I've added another $100 to the debt. God damn it. Intel, you're a piece of shit. Not only for having this in the first place, but ignoring it for 2 full generations of chips, and ignoring it when everybody told you it was happening until YouTubers made it public everywhere. And then you finally did something about it. And everybody else downstream has to deal with your shit. I will never use another Intel CPU again. Eat my entire ass. I had a machine before this, back when the stream was much smaller. I had a 13900K in it. That CPU was also having this same issue, because it's 13th and 14th gen. But at the time, we didn't know about it. Intel knew about it, but we didn't. So that chip started going bad. And my GPU started having issues. Couldn't tell it was the CPU, thought it was the GPU. So I got a 4090. I saved up for months and months and got a 4090, even though I had a 3080 Ti at the time, because we thought the graphics card was dying, because it started exhibiting graphics card death behaviors. Didn't fix the issue. Same thing kept happening. So I was like, oh shit. So then I saved up to replace the motherboard, because that seemed like the next likely culprit. Switched out the motherboard, didn't fix the problem. Then we did that with the RAM. Then we finally found out that it was the CPU. And then that CPU started suffering the same exact consequence. So we're like, something's wrong with this machine. I should just get a new machine. So we started working with a partner, and that partner sent us new machines. That was a whole thing. It was a, like, you know, sponsored stream. We finally now have a long-time sponsor. They gave us new machines, and that's this one. This one has a 14,900K, and it's doing the exact same goddamn thing because it's a CPU issue for 13th and 14th gen. It's awful, dude. It is horrific. And now, half of our team have the same goddamn issue because we all have Intel chips. We have 50% of our staff having this exact same issue because of this problem with Intel. I'm never going Intel again. I hate what they have done here. It's insane to watch. So in 6 days, I'm going to have an AMD machine. Finally, all the parts will be delivered. I'm going to build it, and we're never touching Intel again. I'm out. Because this is, it's thousands of dollars of loss. It's disruption of stream every goddamn time this happens. It stopped us from doing things like I couldn't play Warframe 1999 on stream because it literally blue screened 3 times off stream trying to play Warframe. Because it can't handle it. It's insane, dude. It is completely insane. Yeah, we actually have an interview set up with Pablo and the Warframe team for Warframe 1999, and we had to push it because my Intel chip keeps blue screening every time we play Warframe. It's awful, dude. Like, it's really goddamn bad. So, like, I'm done with this shit. I don't want to work with Intel at all. Yeah. It's goddamn bad. I can't handle anything. It just blue screens on random shit because it's a CPU issue. And when it does this in the event viewer, it actually exhibits behaviors. It looks like it's everything else breaking, but it's the chip. It's the CPU doing it. Why not change the CPU now instead of buying a whole new PC so it can do it again? I have to change the whole architecture for AMD, dude. I'm swapping out. I'm done. We're not touching it. The stream crash, we got a blue screen because of the goddamn Intel chip. It's awful, man. Our mod's going to be updated as well. That's the plan, yes.
Yeah, before this PC, I had a 5950X, so I was on AMD beforehand, and it was absolutely fantastic. So I'm looking forward to going back.
Yep. So what we're doing is we've been slowly switching out each of the mods because I think Jake has already swapped over, right? Jake has moved over to AMD already, and he doesn't have problems anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jake did. Yeah, Jake's on AMD now. Was that the sponsored machine? We just switched it out, Jake? Or did you get a new machine?
I think Jake did it privately. I think.
You do it yourself?
Replacing it for next year. Yeah.
You swapped it out? Okay. Because we could, like, we gotta fix this, man. It's bad.
Yeah.
What AMD chip am I gonna be using? 7950 X3D is what I'm switching over to. Because it's just better for streaming.
Stuff. Always carries a certain level of risk.
We're gonna put an announcement in the Discord.
Yeah.
And as you can see, I can run the game forever just fine. Starting new programs is when the BSOD happens. Kronos.
Yeah. Oh, 100%, yeah. So it wasn't until you restarted Ashes of Creation that anything went bad.
What is BSOD? Blue screen of death. I blue screened. Windows crashed because of the goddamn CPU. It's insane shit to watch, man. Please make a pants of me effing up that Intel CPU. Oh, I will. If Gamers Nexus doesn't reach out in time, I'm killing this thing. We've got 6 days. Yeah, will it blend? Ooh. Will it bake? Will it freeze? Will it blend? Can we use it as a nail?
That's already more testing than Intel did on that generation of chips.
True. Will it sausage?
What happens when you put a CPU on an electric fence?
True. I have that. I could also turn it into a sausage. I have a grinder. And sausage casing. I could deep fry it. There's so many options.
And the best bit is you can do multiple options. We need to work out the most efficient route of how many we can do.
You think I could pickle it?
I reckon you could pickle it.
I could pickle it.
If it survives every test, you should just pickle it, leave it in a jar, and we can just have it, you know.
You think I could pickle it and then bake it into a pie?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm doing it.
Every cooking stream should just be you attempting to destroy the Intel CPU.
We need to make
way.
a beef in Tellington. Very good.
Nice.
Very good. Ordinary Intel sausage, dude. Ordinary sausage. That guy's rad. Make it into soup? Dude, it's already soup. Thing's a piece of shit. It pisses me off, too, because, like, those parts aren't cheap, man. And the worst part is I'm in a position where I can swap that out. There's a lot of people who aren't. And Intel has abandoned them, dude. That is such shit. The TTSQ ended up dying because I B-sotted, so I added $100 to the debt. Yeah. Sorry about that. There's nothing I could do there. Like, a full blue screen, like, it's not shit I could do. Oh yeah, if you want to build a machine, use PC Part Picker. Love that website, dude. What if your Intel, your 14th gen has been fine for a year plus? I literally would not trust it, dude. Yeah, wouldn't. At this point, it's insane. Because the moment that it starts having physical issues, it's over. PC Part Picker is really good.